Hi, my name is Veronica Robinson, and I'm the CEO of Stepping Stones Behavioral Solutions. I founded Stepping Stones Behavioral Solutions originally on June 24th, 2016. That is my oldest child's birthday. So it just gave me a special day to remember, but I actually didn't open up my first facility until January of 2017. When I first opened up Stepping Stones Behavioral Solutions, I realized there was not only a need for ABA, but also for occupational therapy and speech and physical therapy services. That is why we started offering other services other than ABA. But once that happened, we started realizing we need more than just a room, some pencils, a yoga ball. Kids needed to actually get up, they needed to move, and they needed to practice those different skills that they didn't have. So that's why I knew that we needed a sensory gym. So one of the reasons why I started Stepping Stones was because I strongly believed in play-based therapy. From the very beginning, I always had some type of swing structure, some type of yoga balls. We always practiced teaching kids how to ride bikes and different things like that. So originally I contacted Troy, the owner of Fun Factory Sensory Gym, and I was trying to get a couple of numbers and things like that. And he quoted me a price that was a little bit out of my price range, like a few years out of my price range. So this year in 2021, I was super excited to contact them because I said I wanted to revisit revamping my facilities. I always like to have state-of-the-art things, and I really felt like Fun Factory was gonna give me just that. So I'm super excited to announce that we've actually not had one, not two, but actually 5 gyms built by Fun Factory this year, and it's really set us apart from the other ABA organizations here in Indianapolis. Not only do we have top quality therapy, but now we have the gyms to match. This year in 2021, we opened up our 4th location, which is located in downtown Indianapolis. There was a huge need for all the kids that were centrally located, and a lot of our parents from down south were actually driving up about a good 45 minutes to get to our Sobro location. So that's what made us open up in downtown Indianapolis. Currently, we are in the process of opening up our 5th location in Sobro 2. This is gonna be our Transitions Academy, and it's a lot different than our typical ABA clinic. That is because most of the clients there are working on school-based skills and school readiness. So we have a lot of older clients and clients that are more like school-based. So they're more moderate or mild on the spectrum. That meant that we had to have a more customized gym for older clients. I was able to host my son's 5th birthday party at my Westfield location. And my son is 4 feet and he's 5 years old, just turned 5. So he's super tall, probably gonna be 6'4", 6'5". I realized that the gyms are super great for our younger population that we typically serve, which made me realize for Sobro 2, we needed something that was gonna be bigger and better. Gym number 5 is our game changer. That is our Sobro 2 location, and it is our Transitions Academy. This is gonna service a lot of clients who are actually school ready. They might be transitioning from the school or transitioning back into the school setting. So that meant that we had to do something different. Working with the Fun Factory design team was awesome. I had a hand-in-hand input on everything that went into the gym. This was super important because of the population we were serving. Since adding sensory gyms here at Stepping Stones Behavioral Solutions, we've really increased not only the quality of therapy, but it's allowed us to really incorporate our play-based goals, which is what we were founded on. My goal for Stepping Stones Behavioral Solutions is to touch the lives of many children and families. I would like to empower people to one day be able to open up their own facilities, and that is why I'm looking to start to franchise out Stepping Stones Behavioral Solutions. So I'm looking to train our future leaders of the organization so they can one day be co-owners with the operation. We are located in Indianapolis as well as Atlanta, Indiana. We have 4 Fun Factory sensory gyms, and we have our 5th one on the way. We offer ABA therapy services as well as occupational and speech, and we are a behavior management provider through the Medicaid waiver service. Check us out at www.steppingstonesindy.com. Feel free to contact us for more information and to schedule a tour at the ABA Therapy Clinic, where therapy meets play.
Veronica, on behalf of Fun Factory Sensory Gym, I am very honored to nominate you as this year's Warrior Mom. Now, to all other Warrior Moms, I would like you to share some words in your own message.